Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do a reading from 27th of July to 2nd of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so let's see now what does my Pisces have. So this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you, and for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get notified about my latest videos. So let's see what is going on with my Pisces. Alright, so this is something. Alright, so your energy, your core energy is Knight of Wands, and it has come with the Seven of Rods as the hindrance card. You know, you are actually dealing with not someone, but you are in a situation where you really need to take a stand, but you are not able to take some stand. We will clarify what exactly is. There is some place where you might be working very hard for your connection, for your situation, but there are some things. Let's say you are in the middle of two situations. One is love and one is your money. So it's not that you don't love the person, but it's like you love your money as well. So you want to work, you want to earn some money right now. So that is you are getting distracted from the person with whom you are dealing. Let's clarify the Knight of Rods, Ten of Cups and Two of Cups. Yes, so you are very passionate about the bonding, about with whomsoever you are dealing with. You want to start a family. You are very passionate because with the Knight of Wands, it's like, let's do it today, let's get married. But what is that but with the Seven of Rods? Let's clarify. Five of Cups and Ace of Wands. All right, for some of you, there is there is some kind of fear regarding the new relationship, to start a new relationship, to make it a family, to get married. This is something which you are not ready. You are thinking about the relationship. You are very happy that this relationship will prosper, whatever this is, whatever situation this is, but in a long term way you are a little scared. I'm seeing over here. Let's see your subconscious energy with the Four of Cups, the Moon and Knight of Wands again. So actually, you are in a place where you want some casual relationship. You want that this person, whatever, with whomsoever you are dealing with, this is a very pure bonding. But you are in a place where you are more attached towards, you are more entering in that zone with the Knight of Wands, where I just want to be casual for some time. I cannot be in a long-term relationship right now. But from their side, it's a long-term relationship. I'm seeing they want marriage. The people with whom you are dealing with, it's over here. Let's see your conscious energy over here with the Five of Rods. What is this Five of Rods telling? King of Wands and Three of Swords. All right. Okay, so I'm seeing that you are getting attention from many people over here. Pisces, you are someone who actually attracts many people around you, and many people are there for you. They are like basically a kind of competition. I'm seeing that it is for you, so, but the person with whom you are actually dealing with, they actually want marriage with a long-term person. But the people around you, they are just, they are getting attracted towards you because you are someone who is really attractive. You're the Queen of Pentacles over here. Let's see your past energies with the Knight of Swords, the Star, and the Seven of Cups. Yes, you have many options over here. You know, you are very fast in whichever decision you are taking. I am seeing that your wishes, your hopes, actually you have many options in front of you, and that is what is making you a little dicey, I'm saying. Let's see your future energies with the Page of Rods, Justice, and King of Pentacles. So Queen of Pentacles and King of Pentacles. So I am seeing that you are finally going to give the justice to the King of Pentacles, only the person who is actually meant for you. But why are you confused then? Because in your outcome energy also, it's Two of Rods. You are confused about something. Might be this can be for someone. There are a lot of, business issues in your life as well, work issues. So you have many things. You are working. You want more work basically. You are working for your, let's say you are getting a little amount every month. You're working, so you have a fixed salary, but that is not enough for you. You want more, so that is why I'm seeing that you are very much into your work, and you are trying into more companies, more places. You are sending your resumes as well. I'm seeing. Let's see what are your energies over here with the Queen of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, and Page of Cups. So yes, so you are actually feeling very tired now. You are sending your responses. I'm seeing for those who are actually dealing with some work issues, because very big message is coming to me, and it is telling me that you are actually waiting for a offer letter. You are right now, you are more than love situation, you are more into your work situation, and that is why you are, waiting for that offer letter to come towards you, because you want to gain some money. You are ready for some, to gain, to have something more now. Let's see the people around you. Let's see their energy with the High Priest, the Sun, and Eight of Swords. So this is for someone who is actually, with whom you are dealing with. You might be married with this person, but oh, okay. So there's one more scenario over here with the person with whom you are dealing. For some of you only, for many less people, it's like you are getting restricted from something. You have married this person, and you have a child as well, but there is something. You want to work, but this person is not letting you work. You want to explore, you want to gain money, you want to, you know you also want to add savings in your account. You want that money in your account, but there is some kind of restriction from the around your environment, I'm seeing. Let's see the guidance messages from the uh, angels. King of Cups with the Queen of Cups and Knight of Cups. All right, so what is this Queen of Cups? Four of Cups. And what is this Knight of Cups? Let's see one again. Two of Swords. All right, so I'm seeing that there is some kind of restriction in your life right now. You're very emotional. You are getting that kind of a sense where you want to work, but you are not able to work because of the restrictions, the fear, and people around you. It's like you have started a family, and now all your duty is to work for them. It's not your duty to work who who you are. No, it's not like that. I'm not feeling like that. It's a lot of energies over here, Pisces. Let's see your overall energy. The Devil and Two of Wands. All right, let's see it again. Temperance and Death. All right, so I'm seeing that your patience is getting over now, and you are looking for jobs, because with the Two of Wands clarified by Two of Wands. It's like, you are in the middle of something, and now it's the end. With the death, you are ending this bondage. You are ending. All your patience is over. You are not being patient, and you will. Now you are going to demand your independence. That is something that is really good. You have many offers, I'm seeing, so I'll make it short. Let's do the summary of your reading. For some of you, it's a reading for the ones who are actually in some kind of a love relationship. This is that energy where you are confused because you have a lot of options in your life, but the person with whom you are actually thinking, you are afraid basically that that person might, that is not the person who will cage you, who will put you in the prison of that home life or that married life. It is your fear that if I'll get married to this person, if I'll think about long-term relationship, I might be I will might come in that cage or something. But that is just a fear, because with the Eight of Swords, it's all just the illusion, it's the hallucination, it's not true at all, because this person is actually thinking a lot with you. If you are dealing with a person, if you are dealing with a Taurus as well, or Leo over here, your energy is very much independent. For those who are married and for those who are single as well, who are going to be married, one energy is very precise over here, that is, you don't want burden. If you are married as well, if you're not married as well, because you are someone who can bring money to the family. You have that talent, that. So that is why you are not ready to enter in that burden of family. So you are exploring, you are wanting that, please let me work, I want to do something. I'm not here to just serve you or serve the family. I'm here to do what actually makes me happy. So that's a reading for my Pisces, and I hope you like the reading. We'll meet you in the next video, Pisces. Till then, bye.